kiddos, welcome back to my channel. This is Oma and thank you so much for still being here. And this week we got the April Fool's update, which is just like a mini update just for the April 1st April Fool's event. And I wanted to go get the items, but I remember that there was a hack I showed you all the other time that we got a pop-up store about how to make your doll glitter and shine, and I thought this particular dress was gonna be able to do that since it was, you know, shining and it had all those animations I was talking about. So I went into the wardrobe and I got this dress, and I came back to the pop-up store, and unfortunately my doll was not glittering and shining like the other time. And I know that the hack doesn't have a fault, it's just that the dress was not gonna do that. So I went back quickly into the wardrobe before purchasing the item. Note that you must have that dress on before you purchase any items from the pop-up store. And I went back and I got that Christmas update of 2016, I think. Yeah, this black dress with gold neckline. You can see the animation. So I got it and I went back to the pop-up store and I got the first roller skater outfit, and you can see my doll is glittering and shining. There is no two ways about it. This is not like you know, something that is not going to work or something I'm just saying just to promote my channel. It works, as you can see right now. And I went back to the store and I purchased the second dress, still wearing that same black dress, and you can see she's glittering and shining as opposed to the, you know, pop-up models. And this is just me going to the wardrobe and looking at, you know, all the individual items. I was really glad that the items were separated. I thought everything was just gonna come as a one piece, so I'm really glad that the hairstyle, the earrings, the dress, the bra top, and the palazzo pants, as well as the flat shoes and the skater shoes, of course. So I was really glad that they are separate. And you know, so don't forget to save the look. So when you purchase the items, make sure you save the look in the wardrobe. That way anytime you wear that, any other thing will come up. So this is me styling the items. This is for the bra top and the hairstyle, and this is for the skater roller skate shoes. And I tried to pick other items that, you know, represented the 70s for me. This is the dress, the black and white dress, and this is for the flat shoes. So thank you so much and I love you. See you soon.